But you know, it's like a gathering place for the community.
Yes.
If you come here in the afternoons or weekends, you can see that all the children, all ages, from the basketball groups to the little ones, they really come here. To the dog owners, you can see that it really has an effect as a gathering place.
So the beautification subcommittee is more concerned with the greening
The
project.
greening, yeah.
Sige po.
And then the restructuring of this place, we sort of layered. If you can see, we layered the landscape. So itong right side, parang receptacle for compost, for leaves, for dried branches. Kasi we don't have any areas anymore to deposit this. Then this left side, we're planning to plant here to encourage residents how to make the environment more fruitful, no?
At the same time, we're going to sell most of our plants here.
Just to make it sustainable. Who knows? The residents might, in the later part of this project, be encouraged to plant their own. So this one, they developed it into a garden. And you know, we discovered the talent, that guy, si Bitoy. We discovered his talent for landscaping with the little guidance. So all of this was done with nothing bought. Di ba, Nini?
Yes.
So all donations, then all this wood came from felled trees from the storm. Instead of excavating the concrete and the metal, we just decided this will be a giant compost pit.
Tapos yung compost po is dito po siya gagamitin sa vegetables.
Gagamitin yan sa mga halaman. Tingnan mo, meron na sila mga talbos ng kamote, inumpisahan na. Ano pa, Nini, tatanim?
And tomatoes. And this one are, I think, palaya.
The vermiculture.
Vermiculture.
So, Nini started it with the advice of Father
Ricky and
Annie Guerrero. Annie Guerrero is one of the leaders in garbology and waste management in the Philippines.
So ito
These
po.
are kitchen waste and vegetables and fruits that the worms have to. It's like that. So parang composting din.
So their waste matter will become the fertilizer. Then that one, when it rots, the leaves, it will also become fertilizer. Siyempre, we also have to determine what are the plants suited for each area. So this is a very sunny area. That's why we put the bougainvilleas here. So here is the talbos ng kamote patches and alugbati.
Yung mga workers po dito yung nag-ano po. Nag-aasikaso.
We have permanent workers, but because this project is so vast, we got 6 extra casual workers. 12 already. But this will be only after it has been prepared. I guess we can go back to the
Original one, which is 14
yeah.
regular employees.
So this is going to another park, no, Nini?
Yeah.
We have another park, the Ibanag. This side will just stay as is because we have enough trees. Okay. This side, we just added flowering plants just to have a nice garden in front. But this one will be grass. So it's like a gathering place for the community.
Yes.
If you come here in the afternoons or weekends, you can see that all the children, all ages, from the basketball groups to the little ones, they really come here. To the dog owners, you can see that it really has an effect as a gathering place. So we expanded this children's playground. So a lot of this is community effort, community generosity. One one of their projects is naming the trees. The colloquial name and then the
Scientific name.
scientific name. So that when you walk around, you also learn something. So that's also one of the early projects, the waterfall. Maybe it started around maybe 20 years ago, and then it was just rehashed. Nini put new plants. Then we have a group of ladies who volunteered just to take care of this area.
You will probably notice that in Quezon City we'll be cutting down a lot of trees
Yes, sir.
for roads. Here in La Vista we will maintain the number of trees that we have and expand them some more. We will plant more trees, we will plant more flowers, plants, flowering plants I mean, and maintain that La Vista is the best place to stay in because it's like a big park. We are very fortunate to be living in La Vista, where we have a very pleasant place to stay in, with all the birds and all the flowers and all the trees that we have here in La Vista.
A lot of trees.
And we are fortunate to have huge lots where we can have our own gardens. I would like to ask for the support of the community in maintaining the place as is, peaceful and as beautiful as it is right now. The board cannot do it alone, but with the help of the community, we can not only maintain it, but make it a better place.